Hello beauties and welcome. Today is wash day. Yay! I get to wash my braids for the first time. Well, I have had them up for about 2 weeks now, and I don't know guys, I just have to tell you, my hair is used to being washed every week. I wash my hair every week religiously, and 2 weeks is like way too long. 2 weeks too long. So I just made a decision to go ahead and wash my hair, wash my braids so that my scalp could be happier, because right now it is not a happy camper. So what I am going to do is I am going to use the Maui shampoo, and I'm going to show it to you. You know, I've used this before. It's the less expensive of all the shampoos I have. So I'm going to use this one. And I have a spray bottle that I'm using. It's just a plastic little spray bottle. And I have water already in here. And what I'm going to do is dilute the shampoo so that it doesn't be so sudsy and hard for it to come out of my hair, you know, once I put it on. Because of the braids and stuff, you know, as to get inside the braids, and it takes a while. It's going to take it's going to take a while for the shampoo to come out of my braids. This is the first time I'm, you know, doing this, so I hope I do a good job of this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the shampoo to my water. And I don't know how much I'm going to put in here. I'm just going to put enough to the water, hopefully enough to just cleanse my scalp. Now what I'm going to do is put it straight to my scalp. And see how they go. I'm going to shake it a little so I can dilute, get all of. So yeah. So I might have help from my assistant today in doing this to make sure I get it all in, but I think I can get it done. So I guess we can begin. So let me begin, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this before I put water on. So I'm doing it on a dry head. And I'm gonna gently rub and massage my scalp. Now I need to do this probably a little bit more often depending on how long I'm going to keep these braids, because I sweat in my head at night and oh my gosh. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I just went in the shower. Well, just taking a shower. And while I was in the shower, I washed out the shampoo. The only thing I did, because I massaged my hair with the solution, the diluted shampoo, is with me being in the shower and up under the shower head worked, oh, wonderful. It felt so good. You just don't know how good it felt to have that water hit my head and to have and it didn't suzz up a lot, which I'm glad, because I just wanted to get my scalp clean. I wasn't trying to just, you know, really like go in with a lot of suds from the shampoo or anything, so that was great. I didn't have a ton of suds or anything, but that part of that's how I would do it from here on out, is just put the dilute the solution and don't put too much shampoo to water, and just massage it in with the balls of your fingers, not your nails, but the balls of your fingers, and just massage it in. My scalp is so clean right now. Oh, it feels so good. And if you notice, my makeup is gone from out my hair from the shampoo, so that helped. Now it's time for me to put a conditioner in. Well, with this conditioner, I am going to end up putting conditioner on the entire braid so the hair that I have inside the braids don't begin to like frizz out or anything. So I'm thinking that's going to control my braids. And like I said, this is my first time doing this, so we'll see. So I washed out my little spray bottle from the shampoo, and now I'm going to add water. I'm going to show you how much water I'm going to add first. So I'm adding the water now. Now with this spray bottle was $1 from the dollar store, so don't go buy nothing all expensive. Went to Sally's, they wanted, because I thought I was going to use something different. They wanted $2.99 for a bottle. Girl, please. So this is the conditioner, I'm sorry. I'm using the Maui conditioner, Maui Moisture conditioner. This is the less expensive conditioner I have. So I would definitely say use your less expensive things in this, and I'm gonna put about that much, but I'm gonna do a little kick, maybe a little bit more, and I'm gonna do a little kick to mine. I am gonna use my band too, just to help with some of my gray to make sure it's bright. So I'm just gonna use a dab of that. But begin working just like I did with the shampoo. So I'll leave this on for a few minutes and then go from there. Well, I decided to jump back in the shower to rinse the conditioner out my hair. So this is it coming from there. Ooh, you put water on these braids, it gets heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Okay, so what I am going to use is the, Lord, these braids are everywhere. The Shea Moisture 100% Shea Oil. Now it comes with this little pump part. So we're going to see how this pump part works, but how I would normally do it is just put it on my fingers, which I think I'm going to do. And rub it. And then I'll just take it. This is the prime time to put some type of oil on your scalp, especially if you have dry scalp. And I definitely don't recommend putting oil sheen on your hair, because most oil sheens carry quite a bit of alcohol. So what I'm going to do, because my ends are so wet, tying my towel around the ends to keep my hair from dripping everywhere. So now I'm just going to wait a minute, see how this works. And I'll come back and show you guys what it looked like in a few minutes. But I'm going to try to just get some more water out of it so I can wear the hair, put my hair into a hairstyle. So I'll be back in a few minutes. I am now about 40% dry. So I am about to take my grandson, daughters to go to Candytopia. Tickets we bought months ago, and now I have to go to that. So I just hurried up, pulled my hair back. I couldn't put it up in a bun like I wanted to because my hair is wet, and I didn't want it to be up with the wet tied up on my head. So I just put it down, turn around, and just I pulled it back into a lower ponytail. And then I just put a scarf on it to make it you know, try to neaten up the look. So that's what we're looking like. And my scalp is cleaner. And I just feel good. Scalp feels great, first of all. Let's just say that scalp feels great. And I'm looking good. The only thing I've done is I put some more oil on the edges of my hair. But I did not, that laying down and itching out, that's not me. So I think that's for the young girls. Y'all can keep that one. But I just, you know, put a little oil on my edges and pour my hair back and my scalp. Yeah, looks good. It is looking good in here. And I don't have any gel or anything on my edges. Like I said, I just put the Vaseline on there and pull my hair back into a ponytail. So this is the look we're gonna rock today, which I am more than happy to rock it. And my hair is still wet, which I expect it to be wet. But it's gonna take an overnighter before it dries 100%. So this is the look today. And I'm really enjoying the two-tone color of my hair. The darker gray, because the back of my hair is gray, looks great. That looks good. I have gotten so many compliments about that, about the coloring. So if you're out there wondering, should you do it and you have gray hair, go for it. Go for it. It looks so good. Well, that is the end of my video today. I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by and hanging out with me for a while. But if this is your first time coming, thank you so much for coming. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you would take time out to watch other videos and become a subscriber. Please do subscribe. Click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you can be the first one to know when I upload a new video. And then to all my ride or dies, thank you so much for being ride or dies. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. You all have a good one. Bye-bye.